Welcome back. Now you may have noticed that there is a button here for PayPal checkout. If you were to click on top of that button, what you'll notice is that you can toggle on the PayPal checkout button. And you're then going to see a configuration. And basically what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to set up the Wishlist member URL here as part of your PayPal IPN. Now, the only problem with this is that this will be permanent and the only instant payment notification URL that you can use inside of PayPal. So if you're not going to be using this site exclusively, this is probably not going to be something that you're going to want to do, which is to connect your Wishlist member account directly to your PayPal account. If you're using a shopping cart system such as ThriveCart, you will then be able to connect to your cart using PayPal and then connect your cart to Wishlist member. The same would be true if you were to set up your PayPal account using JVZoo. You would then be able to connect to JVZoo with your PayPal account and then connect your JVZoo account to Wishlist member. And so you want to keep this in mind when you are looking to use PayPal and Wishlist member for your purchases. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.